Have you ever really wanted to go to a concert but had no one to go with? Or what about loving an artist that none of your friends know about? Well, here's my solution: a social app based around music. Social apps are becoming more and more popular these days with Tinder and Bumble and apps like that. I was inspired to create a similar app but based on music taste. Music is so universal and it's so powerful in its way to bring people together and bring happiness. Some of my best memories are at concerts with friends. This is where my app comes in. So this app, its name is still under construction, will have users that make a profile based on their music taste, and will have the ability to sync up with music streaming apps like Spotify and Apple Music. There will be other things to fill out in your profile besides music preferences, but that will be the main focus. Because the app can be synced up to other music streaming apps, your music taste can be automatically uploaded and shared. So some of the prominent features of this app will be including the ability to swipe on other profiles, so the other profiles will be loaded up, and based on the profile's bio and data and their music taste, you can swipe and see if you want to get to know them better and see if they'd be a good match. And you guys do match, so that's basically you mutually select each other. You will be able to message, share music, and look at upcoming concerts in your guys' area. So my entrepreneurial idea would have to rely on software programming and coding to be successful. I want my app to be the most compatible with iOS operating system, which is on iPhones, because that dominates the market in the US. So the app will likely be written in Objective-C or Swift coding language. Once the app is installed and the user runs the program, the user interacts with something called the user interface. So basically this is how the user controls the app and how different functions work, such as entering data and how information is displayed. My app will heavily rely on good graphics and icons for messages, profiles, matching, and swiping icons. My app will also rely on cloud computing, which is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process the data, rather than have a local server or a personal computer. It is basically turning hardware into software. My app would also have to store countless information and data from the software and from data from each of the individuals' profiles and their messages with other users on the app. So ideally, all this data would be stored on the cloud. Once this project raises enough money, missing out on concerts will no longer be an issue, and you'll be able to find people that share the same music taste and you can really connect deeply with through just the love of music.